So this here's a dynamic prompt that I used a few different models with it, I believe, over the course of, say, 200 images. Comfyui using dynamic prompts, basically I just put a bunch of containers and a bunch of contents of containers, glass bottles of different shapes and sizes in this case, and different miscellaneous, alchemical kind of far out there concepts. Simple stuff like sand and complicated stuff like rainbows, which normally wouldn't be able to fit in a container, obviously. The variance is really high on the look of these, even using the same model and the same prompt, just because the colors are randomized, the shape of the glass, and I'm using image-to-image generation, so that I can use photography photos that I've taken and use that as a template for the color and the shape, which adds a whole other layer of non-repeating looks, and I kind of describe it as almost like a Nightmare Before Christmas, but like not in a literal Tim Burton way, but in a way that's literally just a Nightmare Christmas kind of vibe, with the colors and the creepiness. Anyway, I'm quite happy with it. On the screen I'll show like an example of what the prompt looks like. It's a pretty it's like a big pattern of words, word salad kind of thing. The important part is the syntax of it, having all of the brackets surrounding any variables. So if you're going to have a color, you have the brackets around all the different colors, and then you have the dividing lines between the colors themselves, and just making sure not to have any missing brackets and parentheses in the whole situation. But yeah, it's pretty boring stuff, but I like the results, so meh. There you have it.